Welcome to Fabricville! Today we're hand sewing 3 little felt decorations for Halloween: a ghost, a bat and a witch hat. The supplies are very simple: embroidery floss, polyester stuffing, felt and the pattern. You will find a printable PDF in the description of this video. I've already cut out my felt pieces. Let's start with the ghost. I draw the eyes and embroider them with small vertical stitches. Then I layer the 2 ghost pieces and sew all around with a blanket stitch. Here's a quick refresher on this stitch. I bring the needle from front to back, pull the thread gently, then pass the needle from right to left under the loop. This creates a knot right along the edge of the fabric. And here's a little trick for even spacing. I draw 2 lines on my thumb. Instant guide. I leave a small opening, add stuffing, then close it up. For the witch hat, I start by placing the little purple felt band. I secure it with a few tiny straight stitches perpendicular to the edge. Then I stitch the 2 hat pieces together with a blanket stitch. Finally, the bat. Before sewing the 2 pieces together, I embroider the eyes with French knots. Then I blanket stitch all around, add stuffing, and to give the wings more shape, I straight stitch 2 lines on each side. And that's it. 3 Halloween decorations, not too spooky, but simple to make and 100% handmade. See you next time!